Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. So my background is Hippie Club's Pretty Sweet. And that stripe layer is also from Hippie Club's Pretty Sweet. And then we have Theo making his debut. So I end up having to stop because he's in my way. And then I end up having to throw that picture away because it got on my picture and messed it up. So I'll just scrapbook the one. I'm going to try to go ahead and do my layers with him there. Right there. Speaking of you. Being in the bushes. Man. But you're a good boy. Oh, you're lovies. He is a sweet cat. Pain, but a sweet cat. And so he's wanting to play. Right, Theo? Yep, I can feel the heat building in my scrapbook. It's like, oh. Yeah. So the pink layer is Hippie Club's Pretty Sweet. You heard something outside the door. Oh, and then of course, then comes Sabrina. She usually just comes and goes. She doesn't stick around. Unlike Theo. And I think I left for a minute. Probably to let Coco out or let the cats out. I don't remember. Let me see, I think he's done. I'm going to try to go through some of my stuff and see what else I can find. You want out, Theo? There you go. Alright, Sabrina, you want in? Come on. One goes out, the other comes in. Right? Yeah. Right, okay. Hey, baby girl. What you doing? What you doing? Silly girl. Alright, so. Hey, Morgan. Hey, tits. Oh, I see. Pops is back. Oh, I think so. Alright, so I used the chipboard frame, which is from Past Kit. Otherwise, everything else is, I used a lot of the chipboard. Live Life in Full Bloom, which is my title, the hearts, the arrow, the tags are all chipboard stickers. Pretty sweet. The die cuts, which are the flowers and the girl holding the earth. And then I did use a phrase sticker from my stash. And I think I'm going to get rid of, because I have like older papers that Mateo would use to scrapbook, and he doesn't scrapbook with me anymore, so he's not into scrapbooking anymore, so I think I'm just going to advertise it on Facebook Marketplace and give it away. Not even, and then like all those My Hip Kid Club stash of stuff, I want to give some of that away too, because it's building, it's out of control. So I'll donate to somebody who maybe wants to scrapbook but can't afford the materials, because there's a lot of paper that I can get rid of. Whole cube of scrapping and stuff. Yeah, I think that is what I will do. I'm going to tell Mateo, and that'll free up 6 drawers. Actually, no. Yeah. What is in those drawers? Paper. And then I have my cabinets, which have 2 drawers, and 2 of those drawers are full of scrapbooking stuff too. I mean, there's a lot. I think I am. Right, anyway. So I'm going to put down some strips for journaling. Usually I put down more strips than those 3, but they're just, my sister and the Carols are just on a road trip, taking pictures. So just gonna try to figure out what to use. So I decided to do Live Life in Full Bloom as my title. Uh-oh. No, what came in here? Oh no. My butterfly fell off. I might need to, it's going to fall off, I might need to put glue on it. So, anyway. So, I was unhappy with my embellishment clusters there, so I added the tags to kind of help myself feel better, I guess. I don't know. So, I'm trying to end up moving that tag and clusters down and move the heart and the arrow to the other side of the frame. And that is pretty much all I do. I do take some lavender acrylic paint and watered it down, and then use my paintbrush to splatter. Instead of doing white or black, I decided to change the color a little bit. I don't think it is metallic, or is it just regular? I can't tell. So it must just be regular. I thought it was metallic, but maybe not. No, I don't think it was. I think it was going to, but then this lavender one matched better with the lavender in the striped paper. So that's why I did that. So I used a lot of chipboard on this one. All the hearts are chipboard. The pink heart, is that I'm not sure. I think it's a die cut. Not sure. So, I'm just trying to figure out what else I can do. So I start with that there, and then I end up taking and moving it over. Because I was wanting to do, like, instead of enamel dots, use the hearts and put 3 hearts in each area, but I couldn't figure out where to put my title. My title wasn't working there, so here's where I believe I moved that down. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I think I did that later, so I changed some stuff off camera. Anyway, that's it. And when I have more, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.